And today we are going to do some shopping for a remodel kitchen. Welcome to our channel. I'm Nyamah.
I'm Monet.
So we are here at Habitat for Humanity Restore on Washington Avenue in South Philadelphia.
So Nyamah's gonna be painting her cabinets.
Yes, kitchen cabinet redo, and looking for more of a boho, cool vibe for that kitchen since it is a very small space. Follow us inside and let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Isn't that cute? This one?
Yeah. Got a little character.
And then the glass finish on it and a semi-gloss trim, okay? And then on a kitchen setup, before and after the kitchen, before.
Oh, that's nice.
Tricia, look at that white. Yeah. So this is the chalk white with polyacrylic. That's a Recolor, I think that's Gull, ceiling white, semi-gloss trim paint, and then the best photo is like the completed photo, right? So you see like what this thing looks like done, right?
Oh, that's pretty.
So it's like really. Those are all Recolor paints.
All right, I'm sold.
So yeah, I know it's a cool thing, right?
More towards the canvas, simply because I want the kitchen to be a little bit more boho. So the canvas is like a cream, but the pewter is more of a gray.
Right.
They both are really cute. And the kitchen is small too.
Yeah, it's small. This color would like
canvas.
really like brighten up the whole space, you know, because it's already
It's
small.
only going to be down though. I'm going to do the bottom this color and the top white.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So does that change things for us?
It does. It does. You can go with either or now. Because I'm thinking like you painting the whole thing.
And I originally wanted to paint the whole thing, but I think I like the pewter.
Yeah, go with the pewter. Yeah,
right.
since it's gonna be at the bottom.
Let's go with the pewter and let it be our final answer. So I left her store with 1 gallon of semi-gloss paint and 2 quart sizes of paint, 1 in the chalk finish color pewter and 1 in just a clear gloss. You'll need 2 foam rollers, 1 roller, 1 smaller paintbrush, and 1 wider paintbrush. You can go anywhere from 1 inch to 3 inches. Here I'm just putting up my tarp and everything just to protect the furniture. Getting everything ready, prepping everything with painter's tape. And I start from the top cabinets, paint all around with the foam roller. Anything that I miss with the foam roller, I go in with the 2-inch wide paintbrush, and any smaller details I go on with my little flat brush. Any size will do as long as it can get into the little creases and crevices of the cabinets. From there I move on to the inside of the cabinet, just run the foam brush down, then inside on the shelving, and hey Monet! Moving along to the bottom cabinets, that's where we get the pewter chalk finish paint. Just painting all there. Then I do a gloss finish. Then I'm going on to the hardware, and it will be in the black finish. I got the handles from Amazon. At this step, measuring is very important before you drill your holes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As you can see, it turned out really cute. I'm loving all of the hardware and the pieces. Stay tuned for more of our kitchen remodel.